In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix forms not working. If your form won't load, fields aren't behaving as expected, or submissions don't seem to go through. A quick reset of the Wix Forms app often clears things up. We'll walk through removing the app, reinstalling it cleanly, and what to do if the issue persists. First, open your site in Wix Studio. On the left-hand sidebar, click App Market. This is where all your installed apps live and where you can manage them. Inside the App Market, look for the Manage Apps option. You'll see a list of apps connected to your site. Find Wix Forms in that list, then choose to delete or uninstall it. This removes the app from your site, which is helpful when a component gets corrupted or stuck after an update. Don't worry if your pages momentarily lose their form elements while the app is removed. That's expected and will be addressed in the next step. This uninstall and reinstall approach resets the app's files and configuration, which is why it's so effective for resolving stubborn glitches and unexpected behavior. Now, head right back to the App Market. Search for Wix Forms and reinstall it to your site. The installation is quick, and you'll have the latest, clean version of the app. Once it's back, Wix Forms will be ready to use with fresh defaults, which typically eliminates issues like missing buttons, non-responsive fields, or errors on submission. This fresh install ensures that any cached or outdated components are replaced, and your forms can function the way they're intended. If you previously customized your forms, you can reapply those adjustments within the Wix Forms settings, now backed by a clean app environment. If, after reinstalling, you're still experiencing problems, go to the Manage Apps section again and click Contact Customer Care. This puts you directly in touch with Wix support for app-specific help. They can review logs on their end, check for known issues, and guide you through any advanced troubleshooting that might be needed. When you reach out, it helps to mention that you removed and reinstalled Wix Forms and to describe what you're seeing on the screen, such as errors or unusual form behavior. That context speeds up the process and helps them pinpoint the cause more quickly. And there you go. Remove the app, reinstall it, and if needed, contact support right from Manage Apps. That's all you need to resolve most Wix Forms issues quickly and confidently.